Hi, Crafty Angels, and Esther here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm bringing you another organizational video. So, let's get busy with organizing out this shoebox here. We are going to get a few of these little envelopes here. Let's see if I can find a few more. Here's another one. And I think that's it. Well, I have to place a new order for these. Because I'm almost out. Okay, here's a few more. And then we have our pen and our labels. Somewhere. Where are my labels? Here they are. Here's my labels. Right here. Okay, so as you can see, I have an array of things in this bucket, but it's labeled floral and leaves, flowers and leaves. So I have butterflies in here. I have appliques. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna dump it out of my desk, and we're gonna put the shoebox on the side. But first, what I want to do is take it and bang it a little. Sorry, bang it a little on the top of my garbage can, and we're gonna start pulling out what is not on the label for this container. So what belongs in this container. So let's get that done. So we're gonna pull all of these out. I have butterfly stickers in here. You name it, I have it in here. Okay, and this is part of me getting my room organized and getting it ready for a roll of projects that I'm going to be working on. No paper flowers go in there. So, oops, here's a paper flower. We want, like, these are like silk style. And all I do to make them flat is I pull this piece and the center piece out. And then I have the petals. No. We're going to get all of these out of this pile here. And into, I need to get me some more fall florals. Woohoo! There. This can go in there. And now all we have here is the fabric flowers. We're not going to put that in the bucket. Paper flowers. Butterflies here. I'm going to put those to the side. We got butterfly stickers. I mean, it was just an array of items in this bucket here. Okay. So we got this little flower here, a satin rose. We're going to put over there. And we have all these butterflies that need to go into a little envelope. And we got all our stickers here that needs to go into an envelope. First, let's sort them. Okay, so we have these butterflies here. We have these. Oh, here's a gem. We'll keep that. Oh, I'm still finding leaves in here, guys. So, and the butterflies y'all see me handling are tricoat butterflies. I got these at a dollar store in the mall that is no longer there. So we have these butterflies that's going to go in one envelope. We have an applique here. And I think all the rest of these are, uh-oh, what happened? One of the butterflies lost one of its wing, part of its wing. And then another one lost its antennas. We're going to keep that just in case we find the corporate that's missing it. Okay, so I'm going to lay these down here on the side of me. And we're going to start getting these into their little envelopes. So we're done with the container. We have all of our leaves and flowers in there. And what I'm going to do now is take my phone and snap a picture of what's in that bucket. And then all my butterflies. So I can mark all of them. Uh-oh, see? It's metal. It's sticking to my magnet. And then these. This is how I do everything, guys. I take a picture of everything, and now y'all can see me do it on video. Let me shut my camera off. We're going to close this bucket because we are done with this. And we're going to put that up on the shelf as soon as this video is done. Now, as y'all can see, I'm going to put these fabric flowers in first. Okay? And I forgot, y'all need Scotch tape also to tape the flaps down. Okay? So I'm going to get my Scotch tape. And I'm going to just lay it across like that so it doesn't pop open. And then I'm going to get my label and write on it fabric flowers. And then we're going to take that and we're going to put that on the front right here. And this one is done. I have a basket on the side over here that I'm putting all of it in. This here can go into my scrap bin, but this here is going to go into its own little envelope. And I'm going to get the tape and tape that and put applique there. That's done. That goes in my basket. Now we're going to do these flowers here. I'm going to put paper flowers. Okay. And then we're going to make sure we have it the right way, because there's times I put this thing on backwards. And then we're going to stick our paper flowers in here. I think they're Recollections flowers from Michael's. That one's done. Put it in the basket. Now these here are going to take more than one envelope. So we're going to go with these and then the butterfly stickers. Okay. So I'm going to put these in here. And I'm just going to label these butterflies. So these are done. And take out tape. Just stick it across the flap. Like that. Because if I stick it this way, I notice that it opens back up, so I don't want that. So I'm going to put it across to where it's going to stay set. I'm just going to label this one butterflies. And what I'm going to do is, as soon as my room is all completely done, I'm going to redo all my labels to where they're easier to read for me to read. Because I write like a doctor. Okay, now for these here, I'm going to sort out all the big ones and put all the large ones in one um, little pouch here. And, well, there we go. Okay, so, and I'm just going to label these cloth butterflies or something like that. So I'm going to label this one with you guys. Then I'm going to go off and finish the rest, okay? Let's put these, I'll put them mesh butterflies. Okay, so we have that. And then I'm going to just take it, put my label in here. Now, the reason I put my labels on the corners or in one specific corner is when I put them in the drawer, I can stand them up like this, or I can lay them like this to where I can still see my label. Okay, I will do the rest off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and as you see, they're all in here, but I haven't put my label yet, so I'm going to do that after I take all of this glitter right off of my desk with my little desk vacuum, which works wonders. I love this little vacuum, as I can hear it picking up everything, and it's not loud at all. I don't know if y'all can hear it on camera, but it's not really all that loud. See? And it's taking up everything. And what it does is it catches everything here. And that's all. Oops. I shouldn't have opened it, but let's pick it all up again. I'm going to do a little review on this vacuum here. I just want to make sure all the glitter is up. You can even vacuum your hand and it'll take all the glitter off your hands too. So we got all that. So that's done. I'm not going to open it up again because no. So this one I'm going to label small. Now I got to vacuum again. Small and medium butterflies. Okay. And we're just going to stick it in the same spot as we stuck all the others. Let me get the vacuum back out. And I'm going to vacuum on here and this side just to make sure I don't have no glitter. And as y'all can see, everything's picked up. I'm going to put that back on the side. Now we have butterfly stickers that we're going to put in the little pouch. This one's already sealed. So we put that one to the side. Now we need another pouch, and we're going to put butterfly stickers. The reason I'm doing them this way for now is because I want to get my room done. And then what I'm going to do is after that is all said and done, I am going to remake all my labels because my little pouches can be reused once, you know, everything's done being used inside of them. So, and my labels are removable, And trust me, I have a whole bunch of undo if they don't come off. Oops, this has to go in the bucket here. So we got that. And these pieces here, we're going to put in our little scrap pouch here. So in case one of them's missing something, we know where to go to get it. So that's that. We have all the little pouches ready to go. So I'm going to say bye for now. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content or go live. And I will say this in closing: please be blessed, be crafty, stay crafty, be safe, stay safe. Prayers and hugs sent to everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on the budget, having everything on the budget. See you next time. Bye bye.